largest sustainable bamboo forests, a vital resource for the future. Once harvested, the bamboo is carefully loaded and transported directly to the processing facility. Every shipment is inspected.
Advanced harvesting machines cut only fully grown stalks, allowing younger bamboo to continue growing naturally.
At the receiving station, heavy lifting is handled entirely by automated cranes and conveyor systems. Each bundle is scanned.
Before the bamboo can be transformed into soft fibers, every stalk must be cut into uniform sections. Within a short drive, the freshly harvested bamboo reaches the factory's raw material receiving department.
The bamboo is now reduced into thousands of small, uniform chips.
After steam treatment, the softened bamboo enters a highly controlled separation system.
The separated cellulose fibers now pass through multiple purification stages. Carefully filtered water removes heat. Before the fibers can be spun into yarn, excess moisture must be carefully removed. Automated dewatering procedures. The dried fibers are now gently opened and blended into a uniform mass. Advanced computerized systems ensure
the purified BAM fibers have now reached one of the most important stages of production.
Thousands of precisely aligned bamboo yarns now come together inside high-speed weaving machines.
Before color and finishing can be applied, the woven bamboo fabric undergoes a continuous washing and bleaching process.
Before weaving can begin, thousands of individual yarns must be organized with absolute precision.
After dyeing, the bamboo fabric is carefully dried and heat set under precisely controlled conditions. Heated finishing rollers smooth every fiber and
the purified bamboo fabric now enters a fully automated dyeing system. Computer-controlled equipment carefully applies color.
Before sewing begins, every meter of fabric is inspected by intelligent vision systems.
With the fabric precisely cut, automated sewing systems assemble each product with exceptional accuracy.
Automated embroidery systems create elegant decorative patterns, while precision labeling equipment applies care labels.
Once approved, each towel and bed linen set is folded by intelligent robotic systems for a consistent retail presence.
The final stage is global distribution. Logistics systems load every shipment. What began as a simple bamboo stalk has now completed an extraordinary transformation. Through advanced engineering,
before reaching customers, every production batch undergoes advanced laboratory testing.
To achieve the luxurious feel expected from premium bamboo towels, each towel passes through an advanced surface
instructions. Premium bamboo towels must perform just as well after repeated use as they do when new. Automated laboratory systems
Before leaving the factory, every product receives a unique digital identity. Automated certification systems verify.
Inside the Smart Logistics Hub, artificial intelligence coordinates thousands of shipments every day.
The factory's journey now extends beyond its walls. At one of the world's most advanced automated sequence.
With every shipment verified, intelligent loading systems order the cargo inside. The factory's journey now extends beyond its walls. At one of the world's most advanced automated seaports. After crossing oceans, the shipment reaches a regional distribution hub, where advanced logistics systems minutes. From a rapidly growing bamboo forest to one of the world's most advanced manufacturing facilities, every step has been guided by precision. To enhance hygiene and long-term freshness, the bamboo textiles receive an advanced protective treatment. Precision application. Look at the alignment on this batch.
It's within tolerance, but let's monitor the next cycle closely.
To achieve a premium finish, the bamboo textiles pass through precision calendaring machines. Once packaged, the products enter the export warehouse, where intelligent robotic systems prepare every shipment for international jinks. The final stage inside the factory is freight dispatch. Intelligent loading systems organize every shipment with precision.
At the International Freight Terminal, advanced orders every shipment for overseas transport.
The final shipment is complete. Guided by advanced automation and precision engineering, the containers are loaded with shipments. After crossing the ocean, the shipment reaches its destination port. Advanced customs technology verifies engines. After traveling through a global supply chain, the bamboo textiles finally reach the retail environment, carefully displayed in distance. The final stage of the supply chain begins with smart, last-mile delivery. Advanced routing systems establish.
Every finished bamboo textile carries a story of transformation. From renewable bamboo plants to advanced